I've been using the same band for my Apple Watch since I bought it in 2017, so I decided it was time for a change. So in this video, I'll be giving my initial impressions on the Nike Sport Loop band. The unboxing experience of the band is simple and easy, only the strap itself and some instructions are included in the box, and the band feels of a high quality and is soft to touch. Once I'd removed my old band, the instructions made it simple to attach the bands to my watch by clicking it into place. It does feel different coming from the synthetic rubber material that was used on the Sport band, but after wearing the Sport Loop for a week, it's starting to feel a lot more normal. One of the main reasons that I decided to purchase the Sport Loop is that I wanted something more breathable, and the nylon material that this is made of offers that. I've also found that the Sport Loop slides around on my wrist a lot less than the Sport band when I'm sweating during exercise. That was really one of my pet peeves with the Sport band, so I'm glad that my watch doesn't slide around on my wrist anymore. The band secures itself by using 5 hook and loop pads, and by using 5 individual pads, this ensures that the band can still be flexible enough to wrap around your arm, while still offering a secure way to have the band on your wrist. If you're wondering what the main difference between the Nike Sport Loop and the Apple Sport Loop is, the Nike variants have reflective stitching within the band, which can make it safer when running at night. Another difference between the Black Sport Loop and the Nike Black Sport Loop is that Apple's variant has speckled colours, whilst the Nike one is jet black. Overall, I'm happy with my choice to switch up my band. My old one was looking a little worse for wear, and I'm happy with the benefits that I'm seeing of the Sport Loop. Of course, I'll have to see how this compares in the long run, but my initial thoughts are very good. That's been it for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and I'll also leave a link in the description to the band if you want to pick it up yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.